Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, pupils. Aminat Ajibola Saad is my name. I'm standing before you today to teach mathematics, primary 6 mathematics. Our topic for today is percentage. When we say percentage, we either say percentage or percent. Percentage or percent means per 100. When we say per 100, what do we mean by per 100? That's all over 100. And we use the symbol. You can see the symbol. We have this or this. It's either you write it like this or this. Both are the symbol we use to represent percentage. You can see we have 60%, 70%. These symbols are the symbol we use to represent percentage. That's per 100. Now let me give you a sample. For those of you that have printed out your result during your last time examination, when you go through your result, you will see that we have 4 CA tests, second CA, third CA. At the end of the day, all are 40 marks. Our examination, 60 marks. All together is 100. That's per 100. That's what we mean by per 100. Let's assume during the exam, you got 20 marks during the test. Then during your examination, you got 50. When we add this 20 plus 50, it will give us 70. That means you score 70%. That's 70 per 100. Now this our percentage also, we can express the percentage as fraction and also as a decimal. How do we express percentage as a fraction or as a decimal? You have been taught what we mean by fraction. You have been taught what we mean by decimal. Fraction are number with numerator and denominator, while decimal are number with points. Now let's express. Expression of percentage as fraction and decimal. Number 1, we have 60%. You can see 60%. Whenever you see, you pronounce it as 60%. When we want to express it as fraction, it will become 60 over 100. 60 over 100. That's how to express it. When you want to express it as decimal, you know decimal are number with points. The number before the decimal point will be called what? Whole number. While the number after decimal points are called what? Fraction. So we now want to express it as a decimal. We have 60 over 100. We cancel it, we divide it. This is 0, cancel this is 0. Now look at the 6 and 10. What number can we use to cancel 6 and 10 that goes without remainder? We use 2. 6 divided by 2 is what? 3. Why 10 divided by 2 will give us what? 5. Why 10 divided by 2 will give us 5. Now we divide. You can see we have our 3 inside and we have our 5. Can we count 5 and divide it by 3? No. So what are we going to do? We have the 0 here to indicate we cannot divide. The moment we have the 0 here, we put point here and we have our 0 here. Hope you remember during division or numbers, we've been doing this, during our division. Now we are going to divide 30. 30 divided by 5. How many times can 30 goes in 5? 6 times. You see? 5 times 6 will give us what? 30. And 30 minus 30 will give us what? 0. So our answer will be 0.6. This is our decimal number. 0 is the whole number, while 6 is the fraction number. Now let's move to the second example. For the second example, we have 70%. That's 70 over 100. To change it to fraction, that one is very, very simple. Now let's go to decimal. Look at our 70 over 100. 0 cancel is 0. When you look at 7 and 10, there is we cannot use any number to cancel 7 and 10. No number can divide 7 and 10. So we have to leave it like that. Now let's divide. We have 70 divided by 10. We have 7, 10. Can we count 10 and divide it by? Can we count 7 and divide it by 10? No. So what are we going to do? We put a 0 here. We have our points. We now put a 0 here to make this one to be 70. You all know how to do that one. You have been taught. Now, 70 divided by 10 will give us what? 7. 10 times 7 will give us what? 70. And 70 minus 70 will be 0. So at the end of the day, our answer will be equal to what? 0.7. 0.7. So I believe you all understand what I'm teaching so far. Now let me give you assignments. Now look at this assignment. I want you to express the following percentage as a fraction and decimal. When you go through my example, you'll be able to do it, inshallah. The first one is 50%. The second one, 25%. The third one, 20%. The fourth one, 45%. And the last one is 85%. So I will be expecting your assignment, inshallah, till we meet. Masalam.